This tutorial will cover the point of sale system in QuikCheK Cloud. When you click POS at the top of the screen, it will take you to the member search screen where you can find the member you're selling to, or you can use the default member on the left. If you're ringing up a bottle of water or a protein bar, you might want to use the default customer to expedite the transaction. Let's use the default customer for our first transaction. Now you'll be on the point of sale screen viewing the categories of products that your club sells. Let's add a granola bar to the receipt. Click on Bars and Snacks, then select a granola bar. Watch as the receipt updates on the right, showing the granola bar and its price. Next, click on Beverages and add a water to the receipt. On the right side, you'll now see both the water and the granola bar listed. When you're ready to proceed with payment, click on Pay Now located in the bottom right corner. For this transaction, select Cash as the payment method. If the member hands you a $10 bill, you can use the shortcut button at the bottom. Let's click on 10 to enter this amount as cash. Then, click on Enter at the bottom to finalize the transaction. After entering the transaction, you'll have options to print a receipt, email a receipt, open the cash drawer, or simply click Done. In this case, let's select Print Receipt. This will display the transaction receipt, and when you click Print, it will not only print the receipt but also open the cash drawer. Let's click Done to start a new transaction. Let's explore the Exact Change button. Occasionally, a member might provide the exact amount for their purchase. Let's ring up a water with a price of $2. If the member hands me $2, I can simply click Pay Now and then select Exact Change. This action will open the cash drawer. Then we'll click Done to begin a new transaction. If you have the necessary security level, you can perform a price override. To change a price, simply click on the amount in the price column and it will become editable. Enter the new amount and press Enter to save and update the price. Afterward, proceed with payment as usual. When selling a membership, it's essential to use the member's record so it's stored in their transaction history. For less significant purchases like a water or granola bar, you can use the default customer. To find the appropriate member for the next transaction, click Member Search on the left. You can search by first name, last name, barcode, or phone number. For this transaction, let's find a John Barter. Let's proceed to ring up a membership for John and apply a discount. Once you select a memberships, choose a 1-year membership. Next, click on Apply Discount. We'll give John a 10% discount. Enter 10 in the discount field, and then click the button with the percentage sign. Afterward, click Apply to All. Notice that the price on the receipt to the right now reflects the discounted amount. Moving forward, let's finalize the transaction by paying with a credit card. Begin by clicking Pay Now, then select Credit Card as the chosen payment method. Proceed to click on Process Credit Card. The subsequent screen that appears will vary based on your credit card processor. For this illustration, we'll use Payment Logistics. Simply swipe the credit card, and all the necessary fields will be automatically populated. Click Next to complete the credit card processing. Once done, you'll be directed back to the point of sale screen. From there, you can either print a receipt or click Done to conclude the transaction. Let's go over the process of finding old receipts. To begin, click on Refund Find Receipt, located on the left side. This will display a comprehensive list of all the point-of-sale transactions associated with John. Each transaction's name, date, and price will be visible. By clicking the Show Receipt on the right, you can access the detailed view of the receipt. If needed, you have the option to reprint the receipt by clicking Print Receipt, or you can email it to the member by clicking Email Receipt. Let's go through the process of issuing a refund. Starting from the current screen, click on a refund now located at the bottom. Following that, choose a refund and select the desired payment method for the refund. Once the refund is successfully processed, you can click Show All Receipts to view the refund transaction within the receipt list. Refunded transactions will be highlighted in red. Let's review the steps to void a transaction. While on the Find Receipt screen, select the transaction you wish to void by clicking Show Receipt on the right. Then, at the bottom of the screen, click on Avoid Receipt. A prompt from QC Cloud will appear, asking if you want to proceed with voiding the receipt. Click OK to confirm the voiding process. Subsequently, the receipt's total amount will change to $0 in the receipt list. Employees are required to reconcile their cash drawer at the end of each day. This process involves printing out the drawer totals for the day and submitting them to the manager. To start, click on Toolbox on the left, then select Reconcile Drawer. Enter the date and time of your shift, along with your cash drawer start amount. Click Get Totals to view the totals for your shift. In the Drawer Totals column, input the amount for each payment method present in your drawer. Once completed, click Done at the bottom. This will reveal any discrepancies between your drawer contents and the day's recorded transactions. Click Print Receipt to generate a printout of your shift's totals. Place the receipt and the money into a pouch, and then submit the pouch to the office. If a member checks in red at the front desk, it could indicate an outstanding balance that needs to be settled. To address this, locate the member on the point of sale screen. Click on Account Payment on the left-hand side. Here, you'll find a comprehensive list of all balances across the member's accounts. Choose the account you intend to make a payment on, then click Pay Now. Follow the prompts to complete the transaction. Let's learn how to attach a memo to a transaction. When you ring up a transaction, click on the Memo button located on the right side. This enables you to add a note to the transaction. Later, you can access this note by navigating to the Find Receipt list and viewing the details of the respective receipt. Thank you for taking the time to watch this tutorial.